Hello, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we were able to fix this Rancilio Silvia model. What we did first was we opened the boiler and replaced this bad heating element right here. Then we replaced some of the wiring which was seared behind the power switch. As you can see, it's kind of seared off. And then we did a tune-up which was going into the group head, replacing the shower curtain and the gasket that goes with it, and running a back flush and a descaling cycle, going through the machine and just cleaning it out. Then we will test a shot using our house coffee. Might run a little fast. So now we're going to run water through the group head. It's coming out normal. Nice and hot. So we're going to test hot water. That's working well. Alright, now we're going to test the seam wand. Slowly crank it because it's very powerful. See, the seam's coming out pretty good, pretty well. I'm only pulling it a little bit because they shoot a lot. Yep. So that's everything for this Rancilio Silvia. Thank you for the repair. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.